Have you heard of the Biafran RAP before? The story of the great men who, in unity amidst the war, conducted and implemented great research in promotion of Igbo nationalism. Ndewono, no. Welcome to today's episode of Mpàkó, the place where we tell stories in celebration of Igbo ingenuities. No, welcome to today's episode of Mpàkó. My name is Amarachi Atama Ogu. Today we are talking about the Biafran RAP. And you would ask, what is RAP? Well, this is why we are here. We are going to discuss RAP and all they did during the Biafra War. In 1967, at the onset of the Biafran battle for secession from Nigeria, amidst the escalating tensions, a group of visionary scientists and engineers from the University of Biafra, now University of Nigeria, established the Research and Production Organization known as RAP. Their mission was clear: to achieve self-reliance by developing indigenous military technology, especially in the face of blockade that restricted access of all forms of supply to the southeast. Colonel Ejike Obumneme, an experienced military engineer, was appointed to lead RAP. Under his guidance, RAP coordinated efforts among scientists, engineers, and technicians to innovate and produce essential military hardware. Some of their spectacular key innovations were Ogbunigwe, including command detonated mines, improvised explosive devices. Remember, they had to use what they had, so they improvised, and rocket propelled missiles. They also produced armored vehicles, munitions, including grenades, mortar shells, bullets, and other essential ammunition to sustain the war effort. They even established makeshift refineries to process crude oil into everyday use, such as gasoline, kerosene, and diesel. These refineries were very crucial in sustaining both military operations and civilian needs during this time of the war and blockade. Some of the key notable scientists and engineers were Dr. Seth Nwanago, Engineer Willie Achukwu, Dr. Sylvester Akalono, Engineer Nate Okpala, Professor Godian Ezekwe, Dr. Benjamin Nwosu, and others. RAP's innovation allowed Biafran forces to mount formidable defense against the better equipped Nigerian forces. I don't know what would have happened or how many casualties we should be talking about without the efforts of these great men. Their innovations, such as the Ogbunigwe, was very effective in helping them to mount formidable defense. Despite the limited resources and blockade, RAP was able to create innovations that was very effective during those trying times. Their contributions exemplified resilience and true Igbo ingenuity, especially in the face of challenges, enabling the Biafran forces to sustain its military effort longer than anticipated. This was the story or the spirit of Igwebike Ụmụnna Bahara. The achievement of RAP remains a testament to the innovative spirit and determination of Biafrans during the Civil War. Some evidence of RAP's great innovations are preserved at the National War Museum, Umuahia. The story of RAP underscores the capacity for innovation in the face of adversity. So today, my respect to rap. And this is where I will bring it to a close on the story of rap on today's episode of Mpàkó. And I will be bringing another story in our next episode. My name is Amarachi Atama Ogu. Ekele m unu. Ndewo nu.